ban penlong kum kawai na ki jingya itu itau bat ban yeju ejan kum ki samla pule hapo ka Balawan College Umsning hari Bhoi district ki bor peniai college jong ka Balawan College mentak singi la penlong ya ka annual Fresher'S meet arajar arab sau ka balong ka jingya kendu jong ki samla pule ki bidang one room class nengkong ha ka college ha ka bala penlong ya ka program ka kerpang tang nang banta jong ki samla pule ki one room class nengkong ha ka college ha ka bala penlong ya ki program penbernya kentup ya ki jingruai ki jingshat bat ru ke jing pen iriam ha ka bah ke jing pen iriam bat jubab ya ki jingkeli nagi nong bishar ki badai hi ki nohi kai nagi college ka samla Phibalarisa Nongpoh kala yo ya kanam kom ka Miss Fresher'S meet arhajar arab sau baru samla Sebastian lengdo kum master Fresher'S meet arhajar arab sau jong ka Balawan College bat kum kadak jong ke jing pen kuburom halor ke jing job la ai de jing ai sngewbha si ki arngut ki samla pule ki ba job ha ka Miss bat master Fresher'S meet arhajar arab sau jong ka Balawan College ka program kalalong ke ba Shongshit bah na ke jing sim benta jong ki samla pule ki ba one room class nengkong ha ka college nalor ki samla pule ki ba one room class nengkong ha ka college Hagane kesngi, laidon langru ba ransom sutnga Bhabriew ko chairman jong MIDC jong Sarkar Meghalaya nangta ki bor pniai college ki pakanthop nadu principal Dr. Father Lawrence Kharluni Father Pius Shadap Bhabriew college administrator lembat kiwe
you satisfied with the teaching learning process in Balawan College? If yes, how, and if not, what are the things we have?
Okay. Being a freshers, can I answer in Khasi? Naman mga nang today kena balik freshers mo Balawan ban kuliah ni po Balawan. Te matharay kijingkay ki bangalayo kibiyang ki nokikay kibiyang naman ba kila de ki ba ki professional mo. Te baro ki nokikay kibiyang naman na ship honors jong ang political science te ki nokikay ko jong political science kibiyang ha kung isa landing star mo naman shongshit so kalong kalong ka bas ka jingkay jong iru kalong ka biyang ha ka ba shy ha.
If you get the opportunity to choose between wealth and wisdom, which one will you choose and why?
Wisdom. Since wealth can acquire, but wisdom it comes from God, and that is clearly says in the Bible, especially in the book Wisdom, according what when someone asks from God about the wisdom, when he asks, what do you want? You want to live longer, or do you want wealth, or what do you want in life? But someone choose the right thing from God, and he said, I don't want all of this, but what I want is the knowledge to know what is good and what is evil. And that knowledge we know as wisdom. And that is the reason why wisdom is something which we cannot purchase. Even though we went for education, we went for study, for training, but we will not get the wisdom that we get from God. Even though our parents didn't study, they don't have a proper knowledge, proper education, but still they have the wisdom to give us the proper education, to make us a good human being and a good person in life. Thank you.
During this Fresher'S meet. Fresher'S meet, it is especially for the freshers, for class 11 and also for BA first semester. When I came here, I was reminded of those years which I was once a fresher. And that was in the year 1989. I was doing my engineering studies that time in Orissa. And I remember, when I was a first year student, and during this Fresher'S meet, after 1 year of ragging, that time we were ragged, as first year students. We were asked to do many things in front of the seniors. And I remember during that Fresher'S meet, I was asked to do 2 things. Number 1, I was asked to dance on the stage. I was shivering. I was really shivering that time. And number 2, because I was the civil engineer, doing engineering studies civil, I was asked to solve the question. And the condition was that if I cannot solve the question, I will also, be punished again in the stage. And the question was very interesting. It was given, from algebra. X minus A into X minus B into X minus C dot into X minus Z what is the answer. In the stage, I was literally, shivering. And, thank God. I remember that time. I could remember that, x minus x is equal to 0. 0 into anything is 0. So I got a big round of applause that day when I gave the answer in this, in the stage. All right. So today, I was reminded of that day when I was ranked, when I was called to dance, when I was called to solve the question. All right. But it was really an exciting day. And today also, I could see that, many freshers. I could see all of you participated, especially when you do the catwalk. I could see that, many of you have the talent to do catwalk, but some of you don't have. Let's be frank, some of you don't have. Okay? And don't try to do that if you don't have a talent. All right? Okay. Now, I also, see that many of you have, good aims in life. Good aims in life. Some of you have aims to do, civil services, to become an IS. Some of you wants to become a professor. Some of you, wants to become a good sister. And, these are good aims in life. Good aims in life. And there's nothing, to have good aims in life. There's nothing better than to have a good aims in life. My dear friends, especially the freshers, I want to request that from today, you are the part and parcel of Balawan College. I could see, especially class 11, you have talents in many ways. And with your presence here in Balawan, you can do many things. You can bring honor and you can bring glory to this college. 50% of my speech has been done by our dear Father Lawrence, and 40% has been done by our dear teacher, Sabani. Then I'm left only with 10%. So please bear with me. Now I have only 10%. Alright? And then I will conclude my speech. Now the theme of this Fresher'S Meet 2024 of Balawan College is Synergy of Vibrant Minds. Synergy of Vibrant Minds. Father Lawrence have explained many things. But I just want to tell you the importance of this theme. Now, the word synergy comes from the original word, Greek word, synergos. And the meaning of this is work together achieves more. Achieves more. One person can lift 25 kg back, and 3 persons can lift 100 kg back. And that is synergy. That is synergy. Now, synergy is very, very interesting. If we talk about synergy, it's very, very interesting. Now, I remember when I was a student, engineering student, every day in my career, 4 years, and every day, I remember at least 1 to 2 hours, we have a group discussion. We have a group discussion. The problems I cannot solve myself individually. 5, 6 of us met together, solve the question, and get the solution. And that is synergy. That is synergy. Now, if you talk of vibrant minds is respectful, vibrant mind is responsible. And today, I am really challenged with this theme, synergy of vibrant minds. And with this, I believe, that Balawan will become powerful. Balawan College will become powerful, will become positive, will become clear, and will become honorable.
Fresher's Day is a special day for the newcomers, or we call the juniors, junior most. So it is a new beginning, and new beginning always brings some excitement. We don't know exactly what will happen. So there is excitement when we have a new place, when we go to new place, and when we have a new beginning. So you are also no exception for that. Class 11 students and also BA first semester. So they have a new beginning in our college, Balawan College. So it is a new stage of life, a new beginning, and you are officially part of Balawan College from today onwards. So in these days you just come to Balawan College, but today we officially welcome you, and you are officially part of Balawan College. We say, if life is a game in mobile, then we pass from one level to the other. If you pass one level, if you go to the higher level will be more difficult than the lower level. So life also is like that, and you are coming here also, you are passing from one level and you are reaching here to another level. So we congratulate the first semester who completed the class 12 examination and passed the class 12 examination, and also the class 11 who passed the matric exams. So we congratulate each one of you. Life is a cycle. We know cycle is moving like this, no? Moving. That's why we say bicycle also, this rotating like that. So life is a cycle, and we are freshers many times in our life. It's not only the freshers who are here today that they are freshers, but every time we are freshers. We were freshers many times. If we say that, then we say class 11 we have to be freshers. First semester, undergraduate, we have to be freshers. Then when we go to NEHU, first semester, postgraduate, we are still freshers. So wherever you go, you'll be freshers. Even in the work and the places that you go, you will be freshers, because you are not in that place and you just come and join. So that the cycle of life will go on. And we are always freshers, and it's nice also to be freshers, because less responsibility and less expectations from you. But then as we go on and as you move on, then you will experience responsibilities, then you experience many things in our college.
Here to welcome our freshers to our prestigious college. I hope you all are enjoying yourself so far. Yes? Are you enjoying your freshers? Yes. So, with all the dances and all the glamorous things that we are having, I hope you have warmed yourself and you feel at home by now. So this is a great and memorable day for you all, so you should enjoy yourself. We have just finished or just completed one great event in our college, that is the inauguration of the new building for the higher secondary section. And now it gives me an immense pleasure to inform that our college from class 11 to the 6 semesters have been imparting quality education since the time of its inception. The development of a quality educational system largely lies on the committed members of the faculty, quality infrastructures, supportive administration, the large pool of learning resources, and last but not the least, the hardworking and brilliant students. You'll be glad to hear that our college primarily focuses on making our students a good human being and also a successful professional through a strategic teaching of both theoretical and practical aspects during the course of education. I am highly encouraged to share that many of our students who have emerged from our college with flying colors, and this year we have the class 12 with first positions, almost 17 of them, and also the second positions, and of course the third divisions, and especially in the BA, many of the students have done better. So I'm highly encouraged that all of you should also feel inspired by the past results of our students. And these students who have passed out from our college are now occupying higher positions in several renowned organizations. They have succeeded in many respects, and I am very certain that all the current students, that means all of you, will also reach the same peak of success. So we encourage you, and we pray and we hope that you will do your best as you have taken your admission right from the first day itself. You have only put an aim or a goal to what you want to become or where you want to reach. So I heartily welcome all the fresher students, both the class 11 and the first semester students, to our college, and we ensure that we will do everything possible to equip you with the best possible.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ni pidon kam projector nak bentaki awareness program jompi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hndru yue ar nyau lai